This is a Slinky, and this is the world's first infinite Slinky staircase. And I made it because as a kid, I would always try and see how many stairs I could get my Slinky to climb down. With my record sadly always maxing out at 7 or 8, I decided now that I'm an engineer, it was time to avenge this childhood frustration to set an unbeatable world record. First thought I had was using a treadmill tilted at just the right angle. The problem with that is there was very little repeatability because the landing surfaces were inclined, unlike actual stairs. So to solve that issue, I tried an actual escalator. And although that worked a little better, the distance between the steps wasn't ideal and the speed was a little too slow. And that's when we just decided to make our own prototype of an escalator I could turn with a hand crank. And that prototype worked well because we got the stair spacing dialed in, but we were having issues keeping the Slinky aligned, which is where these 3D printed self-centering cones came in handy. Because if we put one on each stair step, the Slinky would self-align and then be in the perfect position to fall to the next step. And after a few last-minute adjustments and replacing the hand crank with an actual motor, we made the final version to test if we could beat my childhood record of 8 steps. All right, it's been 48 hours and I'm happy to report this Slinky has climbed 208,000 stairs, which is 29,000 times more than I ever got as a kid.